What's going on, everybody? Just showing you what we use here for our ultrasonic tank. It's a Kendal 27 liter. I believe it's a 1500 watt tank. It's pretty darn big. You know, it can hold plenty of stuff. But we did a few videos on our using it, and it really didn't get much response. So whatever. It's very handy though for cleaning anything really. I mean, you could clean, here's some examples. Now, we didn't do any befores, and these were not filthy parts, but they were not new looking either. Not in the least. You know, your foot peg assembly for a GSXR 750, also gear shifter assembly for the same models, starter relay, same models. That's another good thing about ultrasonic tanks, is you can put electronics in there also. Like if you got relays or fuse boxes or stuff that's just really crusty, throw it in there. It's not going to hurt it. Gear shifter was kind of greasy and a little nasty looking. Totally awesome. You can use all kinds of different solutions, but we use Omega Clean at a 10-to-1 ratio. So 10 parts of water to 1 part of this solution. Works great. So now we just emptied it out because it was filthy. All the stuff we've been cleaning and whatnot, doing these various little projects and restorations. Filthy. And so we leave it near the sink. It makes it easy to fill and remove and all that. And this thing, you know, not only has a heater, has the vibration also, high frequency vibration. If you've considered an ultrasonic tank, I highly recommend it, especially if you like to do lots of projects and things and cleaning of specialty items, and it's just faster and easier than trying to clean them by hand. Now sometimes you have to do it both ways, clean them by hand as well as with this, but you know, if you got like circuit boards and even your wiring harness for your motorcycle or car, throw that in there. It'll make it look brand new again. You know, stuff that would take you forever to try to do by hand with a brush or whatever. This thing is fantastic. And it has this little exit spout right there that you can just turn on and drain out when you're done, like that. It's freaking killer. Anyway, yeah, you can get those on Amazon. Sometimes you can find them at a good price, but the bigger they are, the more expensive they are. And I highly recommend the big ones, because the little ones just don't cut it. You know, they don't get hot enough. The motors in them don't last long enough. You know, they're just kind of meh. Where the big ones, industrial style, they are kick-ass. Anyway, so we're filling her up. And to accelerate the heating of water, you can, you know, just heat some water on your stove. Pour that into your tank, and that'll save, you know, time and energy and effort, because it may take a little while to actually heat it with the heating element of the tank itself. Anyway, take this info as you will. Anyway, we got all kinds of good projects going on and more coming, so check our channel and look at stuff we've done in the past also. Got some really nice looking stuff. Some other things, here's just random parts off of a GSXR 750 and 600. You know, they're just random brackets of things that were just kind of greasy and oily looking and, you know, road grime and whatnot. Look at them, they look like brand new now. No brushing necessary. Look at those bolts, you know, brand spanking new looking. We put the entire bolt kit in there. You know, like the entire random hardware kit. If you, you know, took every bolt, nut and bolt off of a motorcycle, just throw them in the US tank. Makes them look brand new. Totally sweet. Anyway, we'll do more. Check it out. Google Horsepower House. See y'all later.